Good morning. 6 in the morning here. Mabisit ko sa rice field kay mini months na ang walay ulan. You see? Very dry here. So I will check the area. Hi, very dry the rice field. Last harvest na ko na it's February. So 6 months na no rain. Uy, a lot of grass naman ni uy. Anak ko. Sa Manila kay kusog kayong ulan dire. 6 months na no rain. Look at the eggplant. Eggplant for more. Daghang bunga. Ang talong. Nga 6 months na ang summer. Carabao. Hey! Very dry the rice field. Hello? Are you full? Now come here. Hi, very dry.